Now, are you guys able to hear me? Still can't. Okay, then. Okay, now, Nikki, are you able to hear me now? Okay, Nisha, thank you. So, guys, what are you doing for Christmas? What's cooking? What are you doing? What are you creating? See, I'm in all Christmas feel today, all Christmas mood. Hi, Neha. Okay, so guys, I'll not take much of your times. Let me show you what molds we have. We have some new molds today. So first I'm going to show you is Star Trinket Dish mold. Okay, it has a good depth. Hi Ekta. So this is a Star Trinket Dish mold. You can include flowers, glitters. You can even include crystals. Actually, it has a gap in it. So this is mold number 1 today, Star Trinket Dish mold. The next one is again another trinket dish mold. It's a conch shell trinket dish mold. See, it has a detailing in it. It has the lines. Okay, it's huge, nice huge one. See, there is actually full detailing inside. Hi Lara Creations. Okay, so guys, this is mold number 2, conch shell dish mold. And for all you XOXO Tic Tac lovers, this is the small size. We had a bigger size, now we have got the smaller size. Nisha, you were asking for the small size. We have got small size finally. Hi Gitika. Hi Bhabhi. Ghazal Bhabhi. Hi Jalpa. So guys, small size trinket dish mold. Earlier we had shown you the bigger one. It's a quite huge one. I'll check if I have anything in stock. I'll show you the size comparison. Big size. Nisha, I know you want it. Yes. I know you've been asking for this. See, this is the big size and this is the small size. See the size. Hi Ankita. So guys, small size in stock now. We just got the stock. It will be updated today evening, tonight, not evening, tonight I'll upload it on website. Okay. So small Tic Tac XOXO mold. In this last but not least, it's a tiny cute bird mold, birdie mold, little bird. Okay, this you can use it as a knob. You can use it for your tray handles. It's very cute. You can use for many lot of purposes. Okay, see this one. It's a cute bird. I'll share the final images, the actual finished images on Instagram in some time now. Okay, it will be uploaded on website today. This is a little bird. So that's it. Only 4 new molds to show. Nothing much. I just wanted to come live for Christmas and see what you all guys are doing, and to just for creating more excitement, I thought I'll show you the new molds. Okay, so you guys would have seen I have shared some pearl pigment new shade which I was making some swatch and trials. Hi Priya. So the new 2 shades. Okay, these are the 2 new shades. I've already shared the picture in video. It's not that capturable. It's actually red with violet tint in it. It has a light, very mild violet or purple, whatever you call it. I don't know if you are able to see. It has a mild purple tone. Merry Christmas, Bhabhi. And this is maroon and green tone. See, you are able to see the green tone. Maroon and green tone, 2 tone. Hi Adivira store. So guys, this is the 2 new shades of pearl pigment we launched, and I think even Priya had Reni's, okay, she shared her creation some in this shades, 2 new shades. I was just making a video to show you the comparison between red and the red purple. See, this is red and this is red with purple tint. Hello palette for life. And this is, see, this is maroon and green two-tone, and this is normal green. It's actually kind of bottle green. Okay, so this is just the swatch. I made it. See, this is what I was making 3 days back. I had shared some video. I never do much of resin, guys, so just sample. I just wanted to show you the shades. Okay, so that's it. So anything else you guys want to ask about, or else I'll just end this live. Hey, Merry Christmas, Adivira store. So what are you guys creating today, or today you guys are on off? Hi Madhur Goyal, sorry. Okay, I think that's it. Do you guys want to show me the molds again who just joined in? Hi Brinda. See guys, this is the conch shell dish mold. See, it has a good depth also. Can you share about how to maintain molds? Tatva, see, maintaining molds is once you use it, after that clean it with sellotape. Okay, I won't suggest washing it, because when you wash it you might have water residue in it. So don't wash it, clean it with sellotape and pack it safely again in the cover. Keep it in cover so dust doesn't forms on it. And any silicone molds, whatever you have, any silicone molds can be used max 10 to 15 times, not more than that. Even that depends upon what resin you use, what grade quality resin you're using. You can't use more than that. And when you use alcohol ink, your molds will get pigmented. It will have a tint on it. Alcohol ink leaves a tint on the molds. Yes, Madhur Goyal. Anything else you guys want me to talk about, or you want me to, you can ask some questions. Let's have 5-10 minutes question session rounds, question and answer. If you guys want to ask something, you can ask me. Hi Kajal. You're welcome Tatwa. Hi Kanika. Hi Studio Dangle. Muskan. Do you have druzy sheets? Druzy sheets, what do you mean by druzy sheets? You're asking druzy molds. I don't sell druzy molds. You can check with Priya Reni's for druzy molds, or else you can even check with Gold Line Artistry, Surya. Hi Kaira. Hi Punita. Hi Becky Craft. Hi Shades of Art. So guys, so this is the conch shell mold what I was sharing now. Sorry, here. This is one mold what we have got. It has a good detailing in it. It has a lines. Okay. And then there is a starfish dish mold. Okay. This is 2 mold. Then small XOXO Tic Tac mold. It's perfect for gifting someone. It's nice for small kids, you can gift it. It has a very less depth. I think it has only 5 or 6 mm depth. The bigger one has a good depth. Yeah, this has actually only 4 mm depth. What name did you say for Surya's page? Gold Line Artistry. Gold Line Artistry. Okay, Nikki, you can ping me. I will share you if you're not able to find her page. Yeah. So, XOXO small XOXO mold. And the small little bird mold. You can use these for your knobs, door knobs, and for your trays, or you can use it just as a decoration piece, even on your cake platter molds or your 3-tier cake molds. When you make it just a small, it will look very cute when you actually make it in a gold color. You can even, or else rub the gold pigment powder, metallic powder inside and pour it. Yeah, you're welcome, Nikki. So this is the 4th mold. Only 4 molds for today, guys. So this is just 4 mold. That's it. Anything else you guys want me to share with you? Hi Art Yogi. Have you an Jyoti Kala Kendra? Yes, we do have cash on delivery option, but there is additional charges for cash on delivery. Yes, Smriti, correct. Gold Line Artistry for druzy mold. You can even contact Renise Priya for druzy mold. Hi Anubhuti. Does anyone wants to join live with me today? I'm getting requests. I'll take one person on live. Hi Surya. When will some molds be restocked? Shades of Art, which mold? If you can be particular, because there are 500 and some molds on Madras Bazaar. So if you can let me know which mold you're asking about. I have molds that turned white after using 3-5 times. Do you know why? Tatva, depends upon the resin what you're using. Usually molds don't turn white in 3-5 times. Do you have watch mold? You mean clock mold? Yeah, we do have a clock mold. One minute. I'll show you the clock mold. Hi Rosebud. Hi Komal. So I'll show you the clock mold what we have. Can you restock the handle mold? So yeah, this is the clock mold we have. Jyoti, you were asking about the clock mold. This is the clock mold. And it's available on website. Wait, if you want, I'll share you the product code. It's MB3160. MB3160 is the clock mold code. Crystal mold. Which one? Random Studio, you're asking about the just crystal mold, or you're asking about the crystal tea light mold? We have both in stock on website. Praveena Shri, I'll try. Let me see. Did you check on website if there is any handle mold available? Did you see the website? Please check once. I'm not sure if there's handle molds in stock, or else I'll try to restock it. You're welcome, Jyoti. Small crystal mold. See, if you just say crystal mold, I'm not clear about what kind of crystal mold are you asking. Are you asking about druzy molds, or you're asking about crystal rock kinds, crystal pencil kinds? Which one are you asking about, Random Studio? UV resin. Divishri, UV resin is in stock. 200 grams and 25 grams is available on website. Oh, Praveena, then it might not be available right now. Crystal rock. Yes, we have that on website, Random Studio. You can search with the name of epoxy crystal mold. You'll find it. Hi, Color Story Divya. You're welcome, Divya. Divyashri. Okay. You're welcome, Random Studio. UV resin, I'll show you. We have 200 grams and 25 grams right now in stock. And I hope by next week we'll get 60 grams and 100 grams also in stock. See, 25 grams UV resin is available on website. You can check. Even 200 gram pack is available on website. Limited stock, okay? This came in stock last week. Hi Netra. Hi Vidya. Hi Lakshmi. Lakshmi's art. So guys, that's it. Anything else you want to know? If you want to know, if you want to ask something, you can ask me right away. After that, I'll just end this live. That's it. I think I'm done with the Christmas feel. Okay, I think that's it. You guys don't have any more questions. Anubhuti Balla, you want to join live with me? Which resin do you suggest for maintaining molds for long? Nidhi, see, which resin I would suggest is go for, in general, I'll tell you, go with the resin which is not, which has less viscosity. Okay, because that doesn't damages your mold. And you can try our resin. We have two kind of we have two kind of epoxy resin, 10:4 and 2:1. You can try our resin. Thank you. Thank you, Random Studio. Nidhi, you can DM me. I can share you the direct links of our epoxy resins. Hi Sundaram Crafts. Hi Lavanya. So guys, many people are joining now. Guys, whoever is joined now, I had shared some 4 new molds which we had shared today in live. So if you guys have missed, I'll be actually sharing this. I will be saving this live. I'll be saving this live. You can check in that 4 molds. Okay, one is conch shell trinket dish mold, and another one is starfish trinket dish mold. Then it's a small tic tac XOXO mold, and this last one is the small cute birdie mold, which you can use for your trays, and you can use for your doorknobs. You can use just like for a decoration purpose on your trays, on the sides, on your cake platters, on your 3-tier cake platters. However you want, you can use it. Hi Sundaram Crafts. Hi Kavya. So that's it. Thank you for joining with me. Merry Christmas once again, guys. Thank you. Bye.